This is probably going to be the last Chevette welding video I make because the welding's pretty much finished. Whoop, the sound of that machine is so fucking annoying. Fucking hate it. Anyway, I matched up the panel to the door and put a couple of tacks in and then welded it and I did that. I did some welds. I'm doing a weld. Yeah, I'm doing a weld. Look, I did a weld. Did a weld. Yeah. Did it. Doing a weld at the other side. Great fun. Then pretty much did welds all the way along either side, filled it all up, ground it a little bit, and needed to do some more welding after that, grinding and more welding, and then put some primer on it, and that was it, done. Weld. Oh, go on, get in there. You slag.